In this question, it has been given that there are 900 troops in an army formation, and for them there is a food stock of sufficient for 30 days. And later on, 150 troops leave the place, and then it has been asked for how many days the food stock will be sufficient for our remaining troops. We write here men and days. There were 900 men and days were 30. Afterwards 150 men leave, then men there will be 750. 150 men gone. Then for how many days the food stock will then be sufficient? We suppose that it will be sufficient for X days. Now look at the problem. It is a inverse proportion problem. It means that if number of men increases, the food stock will be sufficient for less days. It means the days will be reduced. So here we randomly put two arrows, one side up and one side down. You can do vice versa, up here, down here, it does not matter. So now we will arrange this data according to the arrows into the fraction form. Here we write the term closer to the tail on the upside of the fraction and closer to the head on the downside of the fraction as denominator, and we put equal sign here. Here x is closer to the tail, we write it up, and 30 is closer to the head, we write it down. Now we will keep x here on the one side. This we write as it is, and with 30 is moved to the other side. How? 30 is below here, it will come up here. After solving, we get this 0 is cancelled with this 0, and we will divide it by 5. 5 6 are 30 and 5 15s are 75, and 15 ones are 15, and 15 6 are 90. So the answer will be equal to 36. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. So the food stock will be sufficient for next 36 days. Thank you very much, friends. I hope that you would have understand, and if you don't understand anything, you may ask in the comments, and I request you to subscribe the channel in the end. Thank you very much.